Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through the various steps in the tax proof submission module. So before that I will explain the restrictions that we have on the upload documents. The accepted file types are JPG, PNG, PDF, TIFF, BMP, JPEG, and the size of the upload document should not exceed 3 MB. Also note that the upload document should not have more than 10 pages. Please note that the maximum number of declarations allowed is 3 and you cannot submit more than 3 times. In step 2, you have to enter the details of the loan taken over the self-occupied property or let out property. In self-occupied property, you have to enter the address of the property, the interest paid on the loan borrow date, the possession status, and also the additional exemption for first-time home buyer under section 80 EE or EEA. And below this is a self-declaration followed by the space where you have to enter the lender details. And then below that is the space where you have to upload the supporting documents. Next, under let out property, you have to enter the details of the property and the rental income that you've earned through that property. Here you will also have another option where you can populate the previous year data. So if you click yes option, the details from the previous year will be populated here. Please note that this is available only to those employees who have already declared their tax proof submissions through this portal in the previous year. Similarly, in let out property, you will have to enter the lender details and the space where you have to upload the supporting documents. You can add another let out property details below. Followed by that, so here at the bottom, you will find the details of the house property calculations. The values here will be auto calculated based on the values given up in the house property in the self-occupied and let out properties. You can click save and continue to go to the next step.